This is the Bietrun WXM22 professional wireless recording microphone system. They give you this little pouch to hold your wires, and in here this is a USB charger, and it charges both the transmitter and receiver at once. It's a Type-C charger. This is one cable they give you, and this one is used for your phone. And then they have this one right here. This is the receiver, and this little wire is for your camera. So we'll go ahead and turn this one on. Okay, that one's ready. And then this one is the transmitter, and it has a little wireless lapel mic. We'll turn this one on. If I can find the button. There we go. Okay. That one's on.
Wired mic.
Yeah, wired mic. Did I say wireless? Oh.
That's right.
Okay, as I talk into this lapel mic, you can see the meter moving. It's on volume 13, but it has a volume adjustment. You can hit this little plus sign. We'll go up. There's 14. There's 15. We'll set this one to 15. 13, 14, 15. Testing. 1, 2, 3. You can see the little bars go up as you talk. And that is the wireless Bietrun professional wireless recording microphone system, WXM22.
You gonna plug it in the back of the GoPro media mod?
Yeah, a little 3.5mm port right there.
Yeah, so that's the receiver on the Bietrun.
Yeah.
That's what plugs in that, and you can just slide this, put this Bietrun on that little thing on the side of the GoPro. Slide it on the side, on that slide there.
Yeah.
There you had that.
Oh, okay. This will slide into this little shoe mount.
Yeah.
Right there. Like that.
And that's how it works to hook the Bietrun up to the GoPro media mod.
It also Bietrun.
We'll find out. I'll tell you later.
Got a little wireless mic right here.
Okay, maybe I can see it right here.
Can you hear me now?
I hear a train.
I hear a train too. There's a doggy out here. Hi, Casey. Is that Casey the Beagle? There's Casey the Beagle. Got a spot on his head. Right there. That spot got you picked, didn't it? Yeah, that got Casey picked. It's not real safe, but it's there for a minute.
Doggy here?
He's over here. Oh man. Casey, are you eating grass? Are you eating grass? Come on, let's go in. You ready to go in?
Can you all hear me very good on these Bitcoms or? Okay, maybe I can see it right here. Oh, I'm gonna make a loud noise though. I hear you. I hear a train. They're called a Bietrun. 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 A Bietrun.
Thanks for watching. See you again on the next video.